Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. May peace and light be with you. Today is a special day. On Saint Joseph's Day, we turn to his powerful intercession with faith and devotion. Let's learn a simple ritual and a special prayer to ask for blessings, prosperity and protection. Prepare your heart and follow me. Fruit charm. On several pieces of paper, write the names of the fruits you like the most. While you fold each one and put it in a bowl, think with great faith about your wish. Then, make your request to Saint Joseph and draw a ticket. Promise that for 1 year you will not eat the fruit drawn or any dish that has it as an ingredient. Don't like fruit? Do the same with sweets or foods you love. Right after the draw, pray the prayer to Saint Joseph. Powerful prayer to Saint Joseph. Glorious Saint Joseph, faithful guardian of the Holy Family and example of humility and love, I come before you today with a heart full of faith. You who were chosen by God to be the protector of Jesus and Mary, extend your hand over my life and my family. Keep all evil away from us, bless our homes, our work and our paths. O Saint Joseph, model of patience and hope, intercede for me in my needs, make your request with faith. Just as you sustained the house of Nazareth, help me to trust in divine providence and never lose heart in the face of difficulties. With your strength and your intercession, grant me the grace I so desperately need, according to God's will. Amen. Saint Joseph, help me. May Saint Joseph intercede for us, bringing abundance, protection and graces to our lives. If this message touched your heart, like, share and continue spreading the faith. May God bless you and see you in the next video. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. May peace, love and the strength of prayer accompany you and your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.